Baby, they are doing something bad. Jesus, they're packing dustbin. I'm speechless. Jesus, the whole place is on fire. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Oh, but leave trash for Loma. Oh, Jesus, they're packing trash. Waste. Jesus, this compound is on fire. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. My husband has to come out to check on me because I screamed. How are you guys doing? Welcome to a new vlog. Today is a beautiful day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Yeah, I'm spending time with family today. What's the word? Why am I confused? So I'm going to my brother's house, my younger brother's house. I have crayfish for him from his mama. I'm also going to spend time with my mother-in-law. Some people say that they don't like when they say mother-in-law, but you guys, I think it's actually a very cute thing or cute name or title, because somebody they also call my own mom mother-in-law, you know. So yeah, I'm going to spend some time with mama today. We're also thinking of cooking. I don't know if I can cook there, but that's the plan. I want to cook there because I'm spending my whole time with her. I was just telling my husband, like, that's another way of bonding. If you're a, what do they call them, Amaria, Iyawo, what do they call new wife in Igbo? I don't know. Please tell me in the comment section. Anyway, Sha, if you're all of us, this is another way to bond with your mother-in-law, okay? If it's not possible, then I won't do it. But Sha, I'm going there with gifts. I have crayfish here, some crayfish for her, my younger brother, and then I got some scarves for her and her sister. Will I say my auntie in love, my husband's mommy's sister, mother's auntie, my husband's auntie. So yeah, I think my mother-in-law. My meal is a pink girly. I don't know, like these were the two colors I just saw. I'm like, okay, just give me, and yeah, I'm gonna put it in this bag. You guys, something happened yesterday. My big toe, the nail cut into half. This dustbin is killing me. I need to leave this vicinity. Is up. Oh my, you see the blood that came out. Hey Jesus, I was in pain, severe pain. Oh my god, it wasn't funny. On my way back, I would get, what do you call this thing, wig cap. I'll find a salon to get wig cap because I don't want to weave my hair. I think it's even better like this because my hair is relaxed, so it's easy for me to just wear my wig on top of my hair like that, because that weaving used to give me headache, to be very honest. And I'm also trying to grow my hair again, so let my hair breathe, okay? Let it breathe. Is this thing recording? Hope we're recording. Anyway, this is the outfit of the day. I did press-ons yesterday. Okay. And okay. Deodorant. This one will give me some fresh scent. You see, that's why I wanted to buy incense when I was coming back to Lagos from Abuja. Because you see, incense is very powerful. I'll just burn that incense. I have the coal already. I need to get the incense burner and the incense itself. I have one incense here. My former incense burner is electric. I stepped on the cord, the plug, and it cut. So someone told me that I can still use the incense burner. I just place the guinea but I didn't want to carry it. So it's in Abuja. Let that one just be there. I can always use it. Just use the plate, put the hot coal and everything. But instead of that, why don't I just get the clay pot, the cute one that is small, and then burn it. The only downside to using clay incense pot is that it can break. They are fragile, but I'll surely keep it real. Yeah. Anyway, let me apply, what's it called? lip liner. My Barbie case followed me. Yes, I will carry you anywhere because I'm a pink girly. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. This lip liner is the bomb. This is the Beauty. When I bought it, it was quite affordable. I don't want to even check their page. I've had this for, I think, 2 years. So is it 2 years or 3 years? Baby, come and say hi. Am I recording? You think so? So yeah, I also carved my brows yesterday. So you can see I look different. I did a little bit of maintenance yesterday, DIY at home, because why not? Baby, is my lip gloss there? One pink lip gloss. It's cutie patootie. So cute. I also shaved my face yesterday. See guys, I recorded that thing, but deleted it. Deleted everything. I'm like, I beg. Try and shave your face, okay? Shave your face so that your skincare products can sink in and your face look brighter and better. So yeah, I'm gonna hold this scarf, but it's in my bag, sharp. And this is the bag I'm carrying. Oh, I've not accessorized yet. Baby. Rings used to drop. If you're from the north, you know what umrah is. I love this thing, eh? I love it. It's not kayamata. Oh. I don't even know what that is. The fragrance is so nice. Let's go and bond with my mother in love. I don't know what to expect, but I know it's gonna go well in Jesus' name. Amen. Alright guys, bye. Guys, I have a basket for everything. I just feel like it makes things more organized. I need this Paloma tissue. Nuha Cherry Blush by Cadillac. Yep, Cadillac. If you want to smell cherry, get this. If you don't like cherry, if you don't like cherry, don't use this. Don't use this. Are you free next week? I bet we'd have really good. And I bet we both survive at the same time. And I bet the thermostat says 6'9". And I bet it's even better than mine. But I bet we'd have really good back. Maybe I'm so it just makes sense. How you talk so sweet when you do the things I said. How you looking at me? I know what the reason I'm obsessed. Are you free next week? I bet we'd have really good. You guys, they asked us to come out. Thinking the boat is even here. The boat is not here yet. I don't even understand. You know everything pink. You know everything twinkle. I'm looking for a pleaser. Can you tell me, have you seen him? Tell him that I need him. He know everything pink. He like it how I talk with my grill in my mouth. He from the East Coast, want a bitch from the South. He wanna power up, drink and get stoned. He want your life. I've seen my brother. Everybody say brother.
Brother.
Come on, this corporate world no be.
Okay, social. Enjoy, I need more money.
Come on. Everybody, even me, I need money. Waiting with you do.
Can't do you anything about.
See, it's not even about one source. If you get one source, then get streams. You know, say it's different. Streams and source are different. You need more streams of.
If you're just depending on why
you need more streams of income.
Of one thing.
More streams of income, to be very honest.
I don't know, every day.
Evidence, so I'm giving people. This is from my mother-in-law's crayfish. Crayfish from Yo-Yo's Seafood. My mother's crayfish. This is your own. I present this crayfish to you. Oh yeah, show your hands.
Okay,
good. You carried it. That's my mother-in-law. This is the kaya I carried, my container. I want to cook jollof rice now, so I brought my container. I just hope I will to go to the market today to cook. I'm still here. I'm slow bro. I wish I'd have stayed longer. I was thinking of coming tomorrow so that I will stay. I wanted to come here tomorrow so that I can stay very well with you. Wow, I brought the afang for you. There's afango. Okay, go see. You made it yourself.
Then I got it. Have some.
And there's afango. Bye, brother.
Shall see soon enough.
Yeah, now take care.
Bye.
Are you going my way?
No,
okay, bye. I got to my Meal's house. They welcomed me well as usual. We laughed, we gisted, we spent some time together, and she asked what we wanted to eat for dinner, and I just mentioned a furiro, and she's like, okay, let's go to the market and get the ingredients for it. It reminded me of when I used to go to the market with my mom. We'll walk around, price goods, and pick what we want to buy. This is me plucking the furiro. Oh my god, it was a lot, but the soup was delicious. Hi loves, good morning, happy Sunday. Oh my god, yesterday was a lot. I didn't even plan to stay. I didn't plan to stay in my mother-in-law's place. I saw my younger brother. From then, I came to see my husband's family and my mother-in-law. People be mother-in-law a lot. She said I should stay. That was I made by I'm going back. And I told you guys I wanted to cook. Oh my god, we ended up cooking efuriro. She was like, what are we going to have for dinner? Everybody was like, mommy, this one. I said, mommy, let's do efuriro. And she accepted. She said, oh, we have to go to the market to buy the ingredients and everything. So that's what we did yesterday. We go back from the market around 4, like a few minutes after 4. And she's like, oh, so this is what you're planning to do. I'm not going to the market. You'll not go back like that. Won't you be tired and everything? That she's like, just stay now. But she has gone to church. They're having something in church. And she's the one heading the society. So she left very early. So I told her that, Mama, if you could, just in case I don't see you, big hug. I'm wearing her top. She gave me this top and shorts to wear. I'm currently sleeping in my husband's room. This is where these tiny rats grow up. It's not a tiny rat again. God, this big bed. Jesus, I slept well. Like I rolled one corner, the other corner. But I see pillows. I will never use pillows. Like 3 pillows here. Pillows are not good for my neck. That's what I've discovered. I discovered this like 2 years ago. So I just use pillows for decoration. I don't sleep with pillows at all. If not, I'm not going to wake up well. My neck would hurt. So what we're doing today, I'm going back to my husband's house. I'm going back to our house. I spoke to him this morning. He said, you don't want to come back. I said, Mommy said I should stay till Monday, Sefo. Mommy said I should stay till Monday. He said, okay. I said, yeah, so she will give me what to wear. So I got soap, toothbrush, everything yesterday. Just that I don't have skincare at all. Not like my face will spoil anything. If I'm inside, if I'm not going out, like doing anything stressful, anything, I'm inside. Yeah. So today we're making jollof rice and what's that? Jollof rice and chicken. And I'll pack some. I'll take some. I'm taking it for real. So you know I'm happy. Oh my god. See, I don't know how me, I'm new to this thing, right? I just got married, but I've always had a good relationship with my husband's mom, even when we were dating. And this is something I've always prayed for. You know, I always pray that it gets better, it gets better. It's one thing for someone to accept you. Forget this whole family thing. Even me as a human being, before you accept somebody to you be like, okay, but she was very accommodating from the very first time and you know, I'm literally her daughter, right? And it's something I've always prayed for that God, I want to have a good relationship with whoever I'm going to get married to. Like, I want to love his mom. I want the mom to love me too. I want the mom to take me as her daughter, you know, and I want to take her as a mother too. So, like, life is not difficult. Like, life is so deep that you don't need to make it deeper and more stressful for yourself. So, I just feel like everybody can live in peace, and that's always my prayer. Like, even God forbid anything comes up, there's any challenge or anything. Me, my prayer is still peace, to be very honest. So that's it. And I'm the kind of sister you would love to have as a sister-in-law, or a girl or lady or woman you love to have it as a sister-in-law. I don't have any problem. Like just do you. Like I don't have any business in the relationship. Like the person I have business with is my the person that I know that you're married. Ahead, not you that you're coming into to marry. Like it's you and that person. So we can just live as one and just be okay. So thank you for attending my TED Talk. I'm going to go downstairs now to the kitchen. And I've been in the kitchen. We are making jollof rice. We fried the chicken. Apparently, it was my auntie. I call her auntie now. So it was my husband's auntie that fried the chicken. She's prepping everything. She's a great cook. I think she has a kitchen business. So I've prepped things for yam and egg sauce. We'll be eating very soon. I bought the yam. The yam is boiling. I've cut the tomato, peppers, onions. So just make the egg sauce. I'll leave. My husband called. My husband called and he said, "When are you coming? When are you coming?" His auntie was just laughing. So this is why you're missing me. Eh? You're missing me. Wait small, I'll soon come. I feel refreshed. I'm going to have a great week. We are going to have a great week, okay? So yeah, I'll show you guys everything I'm packing back home. So my microphone stops recording. I'm too lazy to even charge it, to be very honest. Like I hope you guys can hear me. So yeah. Breakfast is ready. Let's not forget. What are we doing here? Because see here. Yes.